All right, today I'm going to show you how this Ryobi drain auger works. It's really simple. If you notice, I've got a different type of battery than what Ryobi comes with. I'm going to show you first how to put the battery on and off. So anyway, if you look at this battery, it's just like all the other batteries. You got to squeeze both sides. You got to squeeze both sides, see, like that. And when I do, I just pull it, and it comes off. It's very simple. And to put it on, same way, I just shove it right in there. Bam, just like that. And the cool thing about this is this battery is even with this, so it allows this drum to spin. So if you wanted to just set this thing down and, you know, work it up, you could. Bam, just like that, and drive your, your auger forward into your drain pipe. So that works really cool. So now the way it works is pretty simple. You've got reverse and forward. That's forward. So if I press the button here, it should go forward, but let me first put it on. I'm going to put it on lock on auto feed so you can see. So right now what I've done is I push this forward all the way through. So see how it goes 1, 2, that's drive. So now I've got it so it will go forward. So if you watch it, it's going to go forward when I do this. Here. See how it's moving forward? All right, stop. Now if I push this and it's halfway and I pull it, nothing happens. But if I push it all the way on the left side, it'll retract. And that makes it easy to use. Now what you can also do is you can take it off auto feed, and the way you do that is just by pressing this. If you look really close, you'll see it's got a lock on it. That means it's locked. If I press this through like that, I can still use it forward. Let me put it into forward. I'll press it there. And if I grab this, that kind of tightens these down. Let me show you. When I grab that and I squeeze it, see how they grab the auger right there? So when I do that and I hold it, it'll go forward. Same thing if I reverse it, push it all the way through, remember, we'll pull it back. Pretty cool, huh? Very simple, simple to use. Now you're probably wondering what the hell this thing is. Well, let's say you get to a spot where it's really you got a tough area in your drain that's clogged. You can push this up, and you really got to push it hard. You really got to squeeze it. And then what it does is it kind of keeps it in that one spot. You'll see it. See, these aren't grabbing, so it kind of stays in that one spot. It kind of spins, and hopefully it unclogs your clog. Now to undo that, you just pop that down, and it's right back into regular. And so you've got two ways you can do it. You can do it where you have to squeeze this, and it moves. Or you can put it on auto feed, and the way you put it on auto feed is you're going to come here. You see how it's got unlocked on there? See how that shows unlocked? You got to squeeze this up. You see how I'm doing that? And then push this side here in, like that. And now we're on lock, and that's it. Now the other thing that you have to be aware of is that when you're done, what you should do is you should extend the auger all the way out in this circular, like, coil all the way out, and then wipe it off with a towel. And then they have this little drain plug here, so you got to kind of pop this drain plug, and then you just kind of turn it over and you just kind of drain it out. And once it's all the water's out of there, you just slap it back like that, and bam, you're ready to go. And that's pretty much it, man. That's how you do it. That's how this auger works. It's very simple to use. I've used it and it worked fantastic. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.